kind of like a mini lobby, like waiting area. You can have guests wait for here while you come down. It's also just an area just to kind of just relax, walk your dogs. You also have this area over here. So if you have dogs, all right, so to the right over here, you have a barbecue. You have two grass. So if you have a little party, you don't have to worry about one, but you have two gas grills. You have sinks. And then you have seating area, which right now is covered, which will also have some sort of gas for fireplace. And then you have a playground for the kids. Swing, slides. And you have another seating area over here. And you have another grill, but this one's more charcoal or more like some sort of live flame. Also another. And then you have this beautiful, oh my God, this beautiful, beautiful backdrop over here. So this will be great for, holding parties. And then you have the social room, which you can use as a co-working area, as a pool table. A bunch of seating as a kitchen. So it's locked right now, but and we have this side, which we're gonna find the sauna and the steam room. Now over here you have the third tower, which is semi-open, I guess. There are some units they're now taking applications, or owners are just moving in because they're behind or whatnot, but there's going to be a lot of apartments available in this tower. So definitely, guys, if you're interested in this building, all I ask is a like and a comment, and I'll get you the information. You have a shower over here. And then you have the sauna and steam room over here. And then we have the pool. So that's going to be the pool. And on this side we have two jacuzzis. Also with this amazing view. Beautiful day today. All right, so now we're entering the duplex. I would call this more like a 2-bedroom with an office loft. So here you have your kitchen. And you have gas stove. You have a little oven. You could also put like a microwave there. And this is over here is your laundry room. You could also do a stackable washer and dryer. I've seen those in some of the other units. So this one just has a washer, but you could also do a stackable washer and dryer here. And then you go into your living room space. And this will take us out here into the balcony. This particular unit looks out to the second tower, but you also do get a partial view of the mountain as well. So this is a corner unit, so you do get to see some of the mountain view and this hill right here. You have a nice balcony here. And this is like an area where your dogs can run, let play. And then you have, I guess, like your guest bathroom here. With a standing shower. And here's like where, I guess is used like a small, I mean, I would consider this like the master bedroom. It's not large, but for the layout of this unit. And you also have a second bathroom with the closets. And this has a standing shower as well. I feel like this bathroom is a little larger than the other one. Not by much, but. And this is where it's considered a small bedroom, but it could also just be like an office, really. So I haven't really quite figured out what they're going to do with this one. And then up here, you have, this is where the office space is going to be built out. Bookshelves, desk, computer, and it'll have a view of, the mountain when you're at the desk. So sitting down here with a view, not bad. And then this overlooks the living room. And then this is more or less the theater room where there's a projector and it projects onto the white blackout. So you get a nice visual. You get a good surface. And so this is the theater room and little Bose surround system. So good sound system, good visuals on the projector, on the screen. And then you have your third bathroom, also with a standing shower. So this is the duplex. So guys, if you are interested in a unit that looks like this one, like and comment rentals to this video, and I will send you information on who to contact. There are several of these units available, and some with even better views facing the mountain. So that's a spectacular view to wake up to. So there you have it, guys. Well, thank you for watching, guys. If you're interested in a unit in this project, leave a like and a comment, and I will send you the information. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next video, guys.